Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to video number 4 of CSM course. In our previous discussion, we began understanding how supporting external customers are different from traditional internal support. In this video, we will focus on important concept, the customer service management mindset. Here we understand why customer service required a different approach and how managing the customer experience becomes just as important as resolving any IT issue. So let us start. Why customer service require different approach? Customer service is different from internal support because people we are helping are outside the organization. When a particular service is disrupted or down, it can directly be affected or affect the customer's business operation, which is very critical, right? And because of this, customers expect organizations to remain clear, coordinated, and in control while handling the situation. This whole thing makes customer service very much or more than just a technical activity. It becomes a structured way of supporting customer during uncertain situation or during such outages. We have to move from issue resolution to experience management. Okay. So in traditional support models, the main goal is to fix the problem as quickly as possible, as soon as you get it. Customer service management expand this goal. Okay. Along with the resolving the issue, the organization must guide the customer through the entire situation so that they never unsure about what is happening, why all this is happening, where is the coordination circle. Okay. For example, if an online banking service becomes unavailable, restoring the system is important. Yes, it is critical, but customers also want to know how long it take. Okay, how long it may take and who is managing the issue. Providing such type of clarity is the part of managing the customer experience. These things you have to take care. So now you ask me what customer looks for during disruptions. Okay, this thing is also very important. So when a customer face disruption, they are usually looking for four things. Okay, the very first one is clear communication, so they understand the situation. Okay, you have to provide a clear cut communication to the customer. The second thing which is important is visible ownership, so they can know or they know who is responsible for resolving the issue. They must know a point of contact who provide information, who is directly in touch with the customer. The third one is predictable handling so that there are no unexpected surprises. Okay. And finally, the fourth one, the coordinated response so that the interaction feel organized rather than chaotic. And when we get such kind of outages, many times or most of the time, the situation is chaotic. So you have to make sure all these four main components are present. Okay. When these elements are present, customer feel more confident even while issue is going on. Okay. Even when the system or IT team is working on the issue, the customer is fine. Customer will be happy and confident that you are there to tackle the issue. But you have to make sure you take care of all these four things. Now, next thing is structured service create confidence. Yes, you should know that. Okay. Structured services means handling requests in an organized and consistent way. When updates are regular and responsibilities are clear, customers do not feel lost during the process. Even if resolution takes time, the customer experience still feel controlled and professional. And this is what every organization or every IT team should, focus. This help in maintaining the customer confidence, not only for this issue, but going forward as well. Okay. Look at the next point. Structured services create confidence. Yes, you should know that. Okay. Structured services means handling requests in an organized and consistent way. When updates are regular and responsibilities are clear, customers do not feel lost during the process. Okay. And even if the resolution is taking time, the experience still is controlled and professional. And that's what maintain the customer confidence. not only for this issue, but going forward as well. You will develop a healthy relationship if you follow these structured things. Okay. Finally, why the mindset matter? So I hope it is clear to you now, and you know why this mindset is very much important. Okay. Because resolving technical issues is important, but it is only one part of effective service delivery. How the customer experience the situation is equally important like resolving the issue. Okay. A strong customer mindset ensure that both issues and experiences are managed equally and properly. Okay. So now that we have understand the mindset behind the customer service, our next step is to see how ServiceNow support this approach. In my next video, we will begin exploring customer service management within ServiceNow platform. And yes, good news for you, it will be some kind of demo or related to that. Okay. And understand how service is structured to support external customers. Okay. So till then, subscribe to the channel. Let me know your doubts. Okay. And follow this series. Thank you so much. Bye bye.